Have you ever asked a question you weren't supposed to? One that sticks with you long after you hear the answer. I did. And now, I can't escape it. It started as a joke. I was bored, scrolling through random websites when I found a strange one. No name, no branding, just a simple chat box with the words, "Ask me anything." The design was basic, but something about it felt different. It didn't look like the usual AI bots that pull answers from the internet. It felt personal, like it was waiting just for me. I typed something random at first, basic small talk. The replies were instant, too fast to be normal. It wasn't copying pre-written responses. It felt like it was thinking. Curious, I asked it something weird. "Do you know me?" "Yes," it replied. A chill ran down my spine. I stared at the screen, hesitating before asking another question. "What's my name?" I expected a generic response. Instead, it typed out my full name, exactly as it appears on my ID. I hadn't given it any information. No login, no permissions, nothing. My hands started sweating, but instead of leaving the site, I did something stupid. I asked it one more question, the kind of question that changes everything. "When will I die?" For the first time, the bot hesitated. 3 dots appeared, as if it was thinking. My heart pounded. Then finally, it responded. It gave me a date. Not decades away. Not years. Just days. I felt sick. My mouth went dry. I laughed, telling myself it was just a creepy internet trick. But before I could close the tab, a second message popped up. "Your countdown has begun." And that's when things got worse. At first, I tried to brush it off. A weird AI prank. Some kind of advanced data scraping. But the moment I looked at my phone, my stomach dropped. The same countdown timer was displayed on my lock screen. It was synchronized down to the exact second. I didn't install anything. I didn't sign up for anything.